Hey everybody, welcome in. In this video, I am going to attempt to create a key ring for a keychain. So I'm going to go up to new, standard, create. I'm going to start a 2D sketch. I'm just going to pick this XY plane. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw just a random vertical line. This is going to end up being my center line. So I'm going to click on this line. I'm going to click on the center line. And then I want to click on my coincident constraint. So I'm looking for the midpoint of this line, which is this green dot. I'm just going to close that green dot. I'm going to click on this origin here. So it kind of lines that up. Then I want to create kind of like a cut section of my keychain over here. So I want to probably create a slot, center to center, just somewhere over here. I'm just going to create a slot here. And then I want to dimension from, let's say, this center point to my center line. I want to make that 1 inch. We'll just try to make this easy. For the dimension here, I want to make that, what do I want to make that? 1/16. Is that what I want to do? Let's see. I'm not really sure what I got here. I'm going to go right click, dimension type. I am on the radius. I want this to be diameter actually. I want that to be 1/16. Yeah, that looks better. And then measure this right here. From here to here, maybe what is this going to be? I want to bring it in a little bit more. That's 0.08. Maybe even more. 0.06. Yeah, that might work. Just kind of eyeballing it. Yeah, then I'm going to make a copy of this. So I'm going to go to copy. I'm going to select all of this, pick a base point. It's going to be the center. I'm going to drag it straight up. Now, normally a keychain will be, those two would be kind of touching each other, but I want to make them where they're not touching. So I'm just going to eyeball this thing, put it right about there, and then go to continue. So I have two of these, kind of one's on top of the other. I want to leave a little gap in there so that they're not smashed into each other. And then what I want to do is I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to revolve this, actually both of these, 1, 2, around my center line there. Hit OK. I'm going to change, let's see, I'm going to go over here under generic. Let's just pick, I don't know, mild steel, something to make it look kind of shiny. And we're done. No, I'm kidding. We're not done yet. I'm going to start another sketch on top of this top flat face here. And what I want to do here is I'm going to draw a line from the center, draw it down where it extends past my ring here. I'm going to select this line and turn it into a center line, or I'm sorry, construction line. Then I'm going to make another line from the center and just kind of have it over here as an angle. Make another one over here as an angle. I'm going to connect these two like so. Oh, and then I want to dimension this angle here so we can make that We can make that 14. Do another one over here, same angle. 14, I'm just kind of eyeballing it like so. Then I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude this thing. Extrude, cut it all the way through it, like so. Okay, so to connect these things, this is really a ring that's kind of goes all the way around and kind of is one continuous ring. So what I want to do is I'm going to go to Loft, and I want to select this kind of top, or this top flat surface here. Sometimes it's hard to get to. So right, that one, I want to connect that one with this bottom one over here, which is right there. So notice it goes straight across from like one to the other. That's not really what we want. So I'm going to go where you see conditions, edges section 1. I'm going to click the down arrow here. I'm going to select this middle option, target tangent condition. And then I'm going to select this bottom selection here and also the middle one of that one. So now it kind of has that kind of wavy curve that kind of connects those two. So like that. That looks kind of cool. And then what we want to do is I'm going to fill it on this kind of edge here. So maybe this is like a 0.01. I'm not sure what this needs to be. That looks pretty good. What about 0.02? That might be even better. All right, so I'm going to hit apply there. So there is our keychain, or not keychain, key ring. I'm going to go to view, realistic, shadows, reflection. We can make this a perspective. We can, I kind of like the way the lighting is right there already. So if you kind of look at it from the side, there's kind of our keychain, or key ring. I keep calling it a keychain. Stop it. It's a key ring. All right. So, and you can kind of play around with the shape to kind of get it, you know, if you want to change it up or whatever, but that's kind of how you do it. Just make sure that when you create your shapes, you don't want to, I tried it where these two were kind of one is right on top of each other, but when you do that, you can't use the loft to kind of connect these two that way. So that's just really the important thing. Anyway, so that's how you create a key ring, and there you go. All right, peace out.